Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to analyze your reference paper for literature review. We are going to use an AI template to analyze the reference papers for your literature review. So, and also we will make that is you can take the important points from how to take important points from that particular paper and how to make a structured literature review using AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Go on to Google and type LMS Research Support. So it leads to the website here, LMS Research Support. In this AI chatbot, you can see different LMS AI templates. So in this you can select, there are 4 options available especially for literature review alone. So here you can see literature review, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF. So first we will explore the option chat with PDF. So click on chat with PDF, it leads to the dashboard here. So this is how your chat with PDF for research will be. So in this we are going to upload the paper and we are going to analyze the paper, and also I am going to tell what are the important questions you can ask from the paper, and also we are having that already available questions, that is templates for that questions to be asked in the particular paper. So let us see how to make a better analysis for that paper. In order to do so, I am going to select a paper. So related with my stream, I am belong to engineering stream, electrical engineering. So I have selected a paper like this, a novel grasshopper optimization based MPPT of PV systems for complex partial shading conditions. So for that, what I am going to do is I am going to upload this paper, grasshopper paper, here in the chat with PDF for research. So browse that one, go on to desktop. Here you can have grasshopper, upload that paper. So as your paper will be uploaded, so after that you will be having all the possible questions here. So here you can see explain abstract of this paper in 2 lines. What are the contributions of this paper? Find related papers. Explain the practical implications of this paper. Summarize the introduction of this paper. Literature survey of this paper. Methods used in this paper. What data have been used in this paper? Results of the paper. Conclusions from the paper. So in order to have a better idea about this particular grasshopper, that is the paper we have uploaded, so we need crisp abstract of the particular paper. So copy that, explain the abstract of this paper in 2 lines. So copy and paste here. So and then click on ask. So it will take several seconds to generate the content, that is explain the abstract of this paper in 2 lines. So let us see. Yes, that abstract of the paper is generated. So that is a crisp abstract which is very that is elegant one. The abstract of the paper discusses the implementation of a novel grasshopper optimization technique for maximum power point tracking of photovoltaic systems under complex partial shading condition. The 𝐸HO technique is compared to other established techniques and it's found to be highly robust, efficient, with tracking efficiency of up to 99.5% and fast tracking speed. So this is all about this paper. So it's a paper which discusses a new optimization technique for to track maximum power point in PV system, and why this technique is best is that it has a tracking efficiency of up to 99.5%. So this is all about this paper is. So whether this content can be useful for us to write in your literature survey means you can take, but you have to take when only several points, that is, so you can take this point which a tracking efficiency of 99.5%. So like that you can take for your literature survey writing. So here next one is what are the important contributions of the paper. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy that important contributions of the paper questions and I'm going to ask. So what are the important contributions of this paper? So it will generate some content from that paper. So here you can see the contributions of this paper include the development of novel grasshopper optimization algorithm for MPPT in PV system. So the 𝐸HO algorithm is shown to have fast convergence and minimal oscillations in the steady state. The paper also presents a PV cell model analyzes the effects of partial shading. Additionally, the paper introduces a boost converter for interfacing PV array with load and controlling the MPPT controller. So this will be a better content for you to make your literature review. So here it will give what is the contribution, so what is the technique used in this paper, and also why the technique used, and also what are the components in this particular paper. So this itself is enough for you to make a better literature review. Next we will move on to explain the practical implications of this paper. So find related papers. It will just generate related papers with your particular topic. So moving on to the important section of the paper, explain the practical implications of this paper. So while writing literature review, we not only we will write the what are the best things in that particular paper, that is main findings in the particular paper. We also deal with what are the practical implications in that particular paper. So let us see how it will generate practical implications in this particular paper. Here you can see these are the practical implications. Here you can see the practical implications of this paper are that the grasshopper optimization is effective technique for maximizing the power output of PV system. So 𝐸𝐽 outperforms the competing techniques in terms of tracking time, power conversion efficiency, and oscillation reduction. Next is the track MPP the PV system quickly and efficiently, resulting in high power output. So 𝐸𝐽 technique also reduces oscillations, steady state, and it robust in various operating conditions. So overall, implementing 𝐸𝐽 and enhance the performance and output of the PV system, making them more efficient and effective in harnessing the solar energy. So hope you can see these are the important advantages associated with the particular paper. So thereby it will reflect the work of the particular paper. So it will be a main important things that is done in this particular paper we have uploaded. So next one is that summarize introduction of the paper. So it will just summarize the literature review used in this paper. From that you can get some idea. So after that you can have literature survey of the paper. This is very important part in making our literature review. So copy that literature survey of this paper and click on ask. So let us see how it will generate literature survey of this particular paper. So because this point is very important while making literature review. So while making this one paper as a reference, so in order to make a content with this particular paper, you can use this option, literature survey of this paper. So let us see how you can make literature survey of this paper and convert into an that is as a content in your main paper you are going to write. So a detailed literature review of the particular paper is generated. So literature survey on maximum PP, that is PowerPoint technique for photovoltaic system under complex partial shading condition. It discusses the depletion, fossil fuels, and environmental concerns as motivation. The paper mentions that output of PV system is weather dependent and cannot be affected by shading caused by clouds, buildings, and dust accumulation. It introduced the concept of MPPT, and also it compares with 𝐸𝐽 technique with all other well established techniques such as PO, ABC, PSO, DFO, and PSO-GS. This paper presents a qualitative and statistical analysis of 𝐸𝐽 technique and its performance in terms of tracking efficiency, power conversion efficiency, and oscillation reduction. It concludes the proposed 𝐸𝐽 technique in highly robust and effectiveness in enhancing the output of PV system under all conditions. So here you can see this is the literature review survey of this paper. So in order to make this is a big the number of words in this particular literature survey of the paper will be more. So in order to summarize this one, you can copy this content and go to our LMS AI template. You will be having a chatbot called summarizer. So click on that summarizer. So copy and paste this content, that is literature survey of the paper, and click on summarize. Here you can see the summarized version of the literature review is generated. So here you can use this summary for your literature review, that in a paper you can mention in the reference 1. So it discusses about the maximum power point techniques for PV system in complex partial shading condition. it highlights the need for, so from that here you can see, for example, copy it, so and open a new Word document. So if you are making literature survey, copy and paste the content. So here you can mention paper, the reference paper 1 explores maximum PowerPoint technique for PV systems in complex partial design condition. It highlights the need for alternative source due to depletion of fossil fuels and economical concern. So the paper acknowledges the output of PV system is influenced by weather and shading from clouds. So like that, it introduces MPPT. So like that, you can mention that paper it as a reference and you can add in your literature review part. So that will be a better option for you to make this as your content for your literature review. So like that, you can make use of this option called literature survey of the paper. So in order to make your analysis even deeper, so you can ask what are the methods used in this paper, what data have been used in this paper, results of the paper, conclusion of the paper. So like that, you can ask any of these questions related. For example, say what that is methods used in this paper. So I am going to copy and paste here what are the methods used in this paper, and I am going to click ask. So let us see how it will generate what are the methods used in the particular paper. So it mentioned that it's a reference, with the reference cited, it will show the method used is grasshopper optimization method. So it will just give, that is, there is no certain technique can be used in this paper. So just showing the optimization name alone. So next, if you want to ask some question related with the paper, why I am going to ask why grasshopper optimization is chosen for tracking maximum power in solar. So I am going to ask a question like this: why grasshopper optimization method was chosen for tracking maximum power in solar solar panel or solar. So you can ask any question here. So just click on ask. So AI will analyze the particular paper and it will generate answer for you. So here the question I have asked is why grasshopper optimization method was chosen for tracking maximum power in solar panel. So here you can see the grasshopper optimization method was chosen for tracking maximum power in solar panels because it is a novel technique that is able to effectively tackle the issues of oscillation, random fluctuation and slow speed of power tracking in PV system. So this is the hint we are getting from this question. So if you want to make this as your reference paper, if you are going to approach a new optimization method to track maximum power point, so you can have this as your comparison parameter. So here you can see oscillations, random fluctuations and slow speed. So if you are applying this new optimization methods, you have to overcome this oscillations, random fluctuations and slow speed. So that is, you have to outperform the grasshopper optimization in the aspect of the parameters, that is oscillation, random fluctuation and slow speed. So this will give an idea. So what are the important aspects that we want to outperform this particular paper. So as writing your literature review, you have to mention the important points. What is the parameters are very prominent in a particular reference paper. So in order to make a list of that particular parameters, so if you are making a new optimization method or a novel techniques to apply the same, that is in order to track the maximum power point in this as done in this paper. So you have to keep in mind these are the important points you have to outperform in your own novel method. So these are the important things we can find from this paper. This is how you have to analyze your reference paper. So thereby you can make a better literature review, and also you will get a better problem statement, and what are the important parameters you need to address is very important. So that is can be done by using this chat with PDF. So you can ask questions, what are the methods used, what are the implications, or why this method is adapted, so what are the advantages of method. So like that you can ask with this paper. So thereby you can get a clear idea about what you have to do further for your research. So this is how you have to analyze your reference paper using this AI template. So this AI template will be very useful to analyze your reference paper. So like that you can make use of this template to analyze your reference papers and make a problem statement and write your literature review like this. So this is a brief point. So in order to make a crisp content for this literature review, so you can explore with this option, literature review and detailed literature review. In this literature review option, it will just by giving the reference just by giving the title of the references, you will be getting the main findings and limitations of the particular paper. So in order to make a detailed analysis, you will get the summary of the paper with main findings and main findings and limitations. So you can explore these templates also. So in this video we have discussed about how to make a brief analysis of your reference paper and how to formulate your literature review statement with the particular paper. So hope this video will be very helpful for you.